It is Guatemala's deadliest volcano eruption for more than a century. The Fuego volcano spewed lava and ash into the sky. The terror of those trying to escape on foot and in cars caught on camera as the volcano's destructive force bore down with frightening speed. The policeman in this car manages to survive. But many others weren't so fortunate. The mix of red-hot rock and gas known as a pyroclastic flow engulfed villages. Hundreds are injured and many are missing. We locked ourselves in, covering ourselves with sheets, this mother says. We were suffocating. Several children were among those killed. Others were taken to safety by rescue teams. We had to climb on our rooftop, calling out for help, the survivor says. There were 8 of us with burns, but thankfully we're all still alive. As the death toll continues to grow, further tremors sent rescuers fleeing. Guatemala's president has declared 3 days of mourning and spoken of the nation's deep pain. Neil Connery, ITV News.